Alright, we're making an extension. As you can see, I had done this earlier and I stripped these. So now the first step, these are called bonding nipple, by the way. We use them for termination so that the wire won't pull out and the thing looks neat. So we do this, and this part right here, where you see the part here strip, we put it behind this screw. This is called the earth screw. So you wrap it like that and then you tighten it. Tighten it properly. See? Then the next step is you put this here. If you notice, I do the earthing first because that is the most important. It never hurts to have too much earth. You hurt the box, the metal box, and you hurt the plug itself. That's why the screw is here. So you do it like this. And if you're on the right track, it should look something like this. So that means if there's a shortage, the breaker will trip, and you know, this protect the box, this protect the switch, the plug, right? Then we put this blue one here. Blue is the neutral, brown is the line in this color code. So again, pull this out. You can do something like this to make the curve. Then you put it over the screw again and you tighten it. You make sure you do it properly and you tighten it. And it's tightened properly. No slack connection. Then the brown go on this side. Okay. Now this part here, you don't have to do this part. I am an electrician, so I need to. This is the loop to test for electric current. But not everybody will want to check for electric current flowing through the circuit. But if you want it, you can do it. So you loop this red wire on the live terminal. And you do the same. Make the loop. And you put it around. Tightening make the loop in the direction of where you would have tightened the screw. Else it won't work. It sounds simple, but it will not work. That's technique. So you use this and you fit it perfectly. Then you tighten it. Set it. Tighten it. Okay. Then the other part of the loop come on this terminal right here. And after done everything, this is how it should look. Now take a look. The loop on this side coming out here. The brown come on this side. This is the live side, and over here the neutral and ground. Green, ground, and the blue neutral. That's how it should look. Then you just tighten this down here. Oh. So far, so good. This right here.